สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันสายลมพิลิก้านะคะจาก POUPE'E เจมทอค่ะ Hello everyone at POUPE'E เจมทอ Today I'm going to talk about 1 minute to know garage weight by using vernier or you can use your ruler. Okay, so right now we use this and then you can know. Okay, you don't need, maybe you don't have weight. Okay, you don't have the weight in your hand, you don't bring everywhere, right? But you have vernier, so vernier that can tell you right now. Okay, by use this one, okay, to measure diamond. Okay, measure diameter diamond. You turn on, okay, you turn on here, and this is a finished battery. You can turn on, and then is your millimeter, right? And then you can measure like this diameter. Okay, measure like this. Okay, even on root stone or your setting ring like this, or you can measure, right? And after that can estimate for this one, it is diamond or not. If it's diamond, it's the weight is like this. Okay, right now if 1 carat, if 1 carat weight, diameter, okay, diameter is 6.5 millimeter. Okay, so if it's full cut, billion cut, okay, just full cut, billion cut is like a diamond, your wedding ring or your engagement ring, or your like a have single stone like this. Okay, so you can know by yourself, or you can estimate the weight, okay, by using vernier or your ruler. You measure thing, and then you can know if it's 6.5 millimeter, it's about 1 carat. Okay, 6.5 millimeter is 1 carat weight. Okay, if about half carat, so millimeter is 5.2. Okay, 5.2 millimeter. So and if it's 1.5 carat, it's about 7.4 millimeter. If about 2 carat, it's about 8.2 millimeter. It's big. Okay, so you can know by yourself if you have this. Okay, if it's 2 carat, if it's 2 carat, you can see it's a big. Okay, so if it's 2 carat, it's gonna be look like this side. Okay, 2 carat weight diamond. If it's diamond full cut, full billion cut, so if it's full billion cut and match diameter, so you can estimate this one is about 1 carat, half carat, or 1.5 carat, or have lot. Okay, you can measure. This is the list that you can match. Okay, if you can measure by yourself, and then if you're not sure, don't know, and when you went to the shop and then you have a ruler and then you can check, so you can know the weight. Okay, estimate. And if you remember this chart. Okay, if for example it's 0.25 carat, it's 4.1 millimeter. 0.5 carat or half carat is 5.2 millimeter. 0.75 carat diameter 5.9 millimeter. 1 carat 6.5 millimeter. Okay, and 1.25 is 7 carat. It's 7 millimeter. 1.5 1.25 7 millimeter, 1.5 carat, and 1.5 carat 7.4 millimeter. And if about 2 carat is about 8. Okay, 8.2 millimeter. So how about 3 carat? You know what to know 3 carat, right? 3 carat is almost is 1 centimeter. It's about 9.3 millimeter. So it's 3 carat weight diamond. Okay, if the 4 carat is about 1 centimeter, 10.2 millimeter. Okay, it's so quick that you can know and you remember. Okay, it's just like if we 3 carat, you remember 9.3. 9.3 is about like this. It's big. 9.3, and then it's a 3 carat. 3 carat, you see? 3 carat. And then if with 4 carat, it's a 10.2 millimeter. 5 carat, 11 millimeter. If it's full cut, billion cut diamond. Okay, so that's it for carat weight. Okay, 1 carat is about 100 point. Okay, if a gram is 0.2 gram, and 1 carat is 4 gram. It will equal like the same like a pearl. Okay, 1 carat or 4 gram is the pearl. So that's it. Do you have any question about carat weight or not? Carat weight is very important that you can estimate the price, because the price is depend on 4C. Okay, 4C. So we didn't talk about 4C before, right? So we will talk about 4C about all detail tomorrow. Okay, so right now we finished carat is 1C. Okay, color already, and another, so I will talk about that and repeat again tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.